In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shein's order returns feature with ease. Whether you're a frequent shopper on the Shein website or a newcomer, understanding how to handle returns effectively can save you time and potential hassle. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you feel confident in managing your orders. First things first, make sure you're on the Shein website. If you haven't already done so, open your preferred web browser and visit the Shein homepage. Once there, make sure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features. This is a crucial step because without logging in, you won't be able to see your personalized details, like your order history or profile information. Next, you'll want to navigate to your user profile. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page. It's where all your account information is stored, including past orders and any profile settings. Click on your profile icon, and from the drop-down menu, find and click on My Orders. This section is your personal control center for all purchases you've made. Here you can keep track of what you've ordered, the status of your shipments, and manage returns, which is exactly what we want to focus on today. Once in the My Orders section, you'll see a list of items you've purchased. Look for the order that includes the product you wish to return. Next to it, there'll be an option labeled Returns. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic happens. A menu will pop up, allowing you to select which item you wish to send back. In many scenarios, you might have multiple items from the same order number. Make sure to select the correct product to prevent any unnecessary complications. After selecting the item you want to return, a QR code will automatically pop up. This QR code is essential as it's scanned to complete the return process when you send the item back. A helpful tip is to screenshot or print out this code. You'll typically need it when returning the package either in-store or at a designated drop-off location. So having it ready on hand will streamline the process. And there you have it. Once your QR code is generated, your part is essentially done. Shein will handle the rest in processing the return. This simple yet efficient procedure means you can handle any potential returns with confidence and ease. With these steps at your fingertips, managing orders and processing returns on Shein should now feel like second nature. Implement these practices next time you shop and you'll be navigating the platform like a pro. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping.